How to remove collection title in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So as you can see here, we have this collection in the catalog page and it says products. And we just want to remove this product's title. It is extremely simple, so let's just go in and get to it. First, just go and log into your Shopify admin, go to online store, themes, and click on edit theme. Now, all you need to do really is just go in and locate the collection that you want to hide the title from. So again, we're just going to go for the example we showed you in the beginning of the video, which is in the catalog section. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on catalog, and we're going to have this collection here. So I'm just going to go ahead and you basically just want to select the collection itself. We have the collection heading and the collection. So all we need to do really is just go ahead and see the collection heading and hide it or completely remove it. It's up to you. But then there is also another way which we can do this. If we just click on add section, for example, you added a collection list, which is this one. So it's going to look a little bit different. We don't have both options here, like collection heading and collection. We have just one title here, which is collection list. And we just want to basically click on that. And we should be able to find underneath it, if we just select this, we have the header here. So this is again what we need to hide. If we just hide this, we no longer have the title shown in our collection. So those are two different ways, depending on the type of collection that you have, on how to actually hide the title from them. It is extremely simple, as you can see. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.